If your dream is to get into SC Bangalore, the top research institute in India, then 4-year program of BSc has already been started from today, that is 15th of the March 2023. The last date of application is 31st of the May 2023. In this video, I will tell you in detail what are the 5 ways in which you can take admission into SC Bangalore. This is all official data, and I will also tell you the eligibility criteria that you need to have. Now, let me clarify, this is 4-year BSc UG program. I am not talking about BTech program. Okay, I have already made a detailed video about SC Bangalore that you can see here. And in that I have covered everything about mode of examinations, what are the eligibility criteria, cut-off marks through various channels. Now let me first tell you what are the 5 ways of getting admission. As you can see in the screen here, first one is KVPY SA 2021 stream students, those who have qualified KVPY SA stream in 2021. Second one is through JEE Mains 2023. Third one is through JEE Advanced 2023. Fourth one is through NEET UG 2023. And finally, fifth one, and that is the latest mode of entry that has been introduced to ISC Bangalore, that is IISER Aptitude Test 2023. Yes, so I had already told you in advance earlier that now the admission to ISC Bangalore will also happen through IISER Aptitude Test. I have already made a detailed video on that. The cutoff marks that you need for each of these examinations, I am going to make again that video. For JEE Mains, Advanced and NEET, I have already told in this video. And for IAT, IISER Aptitude Test 2023, how much marks you need in ISC Bangalore? So for general category, I think personally you need about 130 to 140 marks in order to get into ISC admission into ISC Bangalore, not about counseling. Okay. Now let me tell you about the eligibility criteria. So first criteria is that you must have passed your class 12th in 2022 or 2023. That means those who are going to give their board examination, 12th board in this year 2023, and those who are first droppers, not second dropper, first dropper who gave their board examination in 2022. So those people are eligible. Second criteria is that you must have physics, chemistry and mathematics, PCM mandatory in your class 12th. Now this is going to upset a lot of PCB students who have taken only physics, chemistry, bio in their class 12th. But unfortunately, now physics, chemistry and maths are mandatory in class 12th. You can tell ISC, you can mail them, whatever you can do, but this is the official data I am sharing with you. And the third criteria is that you must get minimum 60% in your class 12th overall percentage. Okay, I'm not talking about any 3 science subjects that you might have taken. So for all the categories, minimum 60% you need in your class 12th. For ST and SC candidates, it is relaxed. If the ST and SC students just have passed the class 12th examination, you are eligible for admission into ISC Bangalore UG BSc program, 4-year BSc program. So this is the eligibility criteria. Now, how do you apply for SC Bangalore? So first of all, you need to go to this portal. I will give all the links in the description to this official update and how to register. You can go to this portal and you can just register your name. You will get a user ID and password, and then you can proceed with the further application. I will make a detailed video about how to do the application for SC Bangalore through all of these 5 channels. Okay. Now coming to the application fees. So as you can see here, for general OBC and EWS candidates, application fees is 500 rupees. For SC, ST and PWD, the fees is only 250 rupees. And regarding the important dates, as I already told you, the application starts on 15th of the March, that is today, and the last date is 31st of the May 2023. Regarding any other update about ISC Bangalore admission or admission to premier research institutes like IISER, NIISER, ISICMI, etc., you can follow this channel. We have already launched the crash course for IISER Aptitude Test, and I have made a detailed video about the strategy for IAT 2023 examination. Definitely you must check that video. You just have about 1 to 2 months remaining, so you must utilize this properly and follow the strategy I have told you. So with that, I hope this video was useful to you. Check our crash courses, the links are in the description, and don't forget to like this video. And if you have any other questions, write in comments below. I will definitely answer it. You can always message me personally for free in Sayastra app. With that, all the best. See you at ISC Bangalore. Jai Hind.
कोई भी सपना साकार करने के लिए सबसे जरूरी है सही कोच का होना। चुनिए सायस्त्रा और करें अपने IIT and NEST का सपना साकार। Download the app now.
The guidance, we have courses in which we have got All India Rank 1, All India Rank 12, All India Rank 13 in KVPY. We have got All India Rank 1 in ICER Aptitude Test, AIR 12 in NEST exam, AIR 13 in KVPY exam. More than 400 of our students are now in the premier research institutes in India going to become future scientists.